If a woman has these 9 qualities, never let her go. There are women whose presence is not just seen but felt, deeply, quietly, with a weight that demands respect. We often search the world thinking love is about fleeting passion, about drama, about validation. Yet those who have tasted true fortitude know something far darker, far deeper. The real value lies in the rare souls who reflect the virtues we most admire in ourselves. A woman who embodies these 7 qualities is not merely a companion. She is a mirror of discipline, integrity, and inner strength. She is a reminder that the world is indifferent, and yet in her you find balance, wisdom, and a light that no chaos can extinguish. 1. Emotional resilience. She does not crumble when the storm arrives. Like a stoic, she accepts life's blows without begging for consolation, without resentment. Her composure teaches you the power of mastery over your own reactions because she has mastered hers. 2. Honesty, even when it hurts. She speaks the truth, not what is convenient. Seneca wrote, "Associate with those who will make a better man of you." Her honesty is a forge. It tempers you, challenges you, forces you to confront the shadows you hide even from yourself. 3. Silence in the face of chaos. She understands that not every battle requires words. Epictetus said, "We cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond." She embodies that principle, and through her restraint, she teaches the power of calm over impulse. 4. Depth over vanity. Her soul is not a reflection in a mirror, it is an ocean. The world obsesses over surfaces, she invests in substance. Her focus on meaning over appearances becomes a lesson in true value. 5. Compassion without weakness. She does not pity blindly. She does not give from guilt. Her empathy is guided by discernment, her support measured yet unwavering. In her presence, you learn that strength and kindness are not opposites. They are twin pillars of fortitude. 6. Independence. She does not define herself through you. Her life is her own, yet she chooses to walk beside you, not behind. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Look within. Within is the fountain of good, and it will ever bubble up, if you will ever dig." Her independence reminds you that partnership is a choice, not a need. 7. Courage to be vulnerable. She allows herself to be seen, not for attention, but for connection. Yet this vulnerability is guarded with wisdom. She exposes her soul selectively, revealing the beauty of trust earned and the power of shared strength. 8. Unshakable integrity. She lives by principles, not whims. When the world tempts her with shortcuts, she resists, because she knows that true strength is invisible to the crowds. As Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Her integrity is a quiet rebellion against mediocrity, a lesson that some things, character, honor, virtue, cannot be compromised. Being beside her is a reminder that we too must uphold our standards, even when it costs us comfort, friends, or fleeting approval. 9. Inspires growth without pressure. She does not demand you change, she does not threaten or manipulate. Her mere presence challenges you to rise. Seneca wrote, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body." She strengthens your mind, your heart, your resolve, simply by being herself. She embodies what it means to elevate without forcing, to teach through example, to pull you toward your best version without ever uttering a command. In her, you see that true influence is quiet, profound, and eternal. To encounter a woman with these qualities is to glimpse something rare in a world of chaos and superficiality. Do not let her slip into indifference. Do not trade her presence for comfort or convenience. For in her, you find not just love, but a living philosophy, a reflection of the courage, self-control, and inner fortitude we all strive to embody. And as the Stoics taught us, the greatest fortune is not gold, not fleeting pleasures, but the rare souls who elevate us to the life we are meant to lead. Remember, strength is built in silence, wisdom grows in solitude, and your power lies in control. If this message resonated, Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment to sharpen your mind and fortify your spirit. Until next time, stay strong, stay silent, and let the world measure your worth in the shadow of your actions.